Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placement. So, short reading lang. Okay, checking ng energies. Ano pa bang meron? Ano pa bang parating before matapos ang July. Okay, hanggang end of July. So, itong reading na to. So, syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, again, kung may tanong po pagdating po sa private reading and sa atin pong mga items and charms, message lang po kayo, no, sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, ipapakita ko ulit yung ating mga available na charms and crystals. Okay, so yes, we do have our evil eye protections. Okay, so meron tayong bracelet and necklace. Okay, so yung ating ring is ganito. Okay, so ganyan siya. Anyway, this is adjustable po, ha. Hindi ko siya suot ngayon. Iba yung sinuot ko, yung bracelet ko ngayon. Okay, kasi may nakasuot akong ring na iba. Anyway, so, yeah, this is citrine, by the way. Citrine stone. So, yeah, ito yung evil eye, tawag dyan, ring natin. This is adjustable po, ha. So, yan siya. Dito ka muna. Ito naman yung dalawa nating dalawa. Inahanap ko yung isa. Ito pala. So, yan. Yung isa is garterized. Yung isa naman po is yung ating adjustable. So, available to sa ating red string. Okay? So, available siya in red string. So, meron tong initial na inilalagay po kami. No? So, yung isa naman natin, kung ang hilig ninyo ay necklace, so meron din tayong necklace available siya, no? So this is 16 to 18 inches long, kasama na po yung extender. So this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, okay, and this is unisex po, by the way. Okay, so there. So dito muna ang ating mga protection, sa mga evil eye na ibinabato. And syempre yung ating 2-in-1 money and love bracelet. Okay, so ganyan po siya, no? So, yes, meron siyang citrine. Yan, ganito. Ganito yung stone. Citrine. Yan, ito nilagay natin dito sa ating bracelet. Okay, this is the merchant stone. So, nagtatawag siya ng abundance, nagtatawag siya ng prosperity. So, pwedeng-pwede yan sa mga nagtatrabaho, pwedeng-pwede sa mga nagbi-business, maraming connections, mga ganyan, no? So, yeah, kung gagamitin mo to for business lang, pwede rin naman. So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo mag-avail, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Napakaganda ng naitutulong ng mga citrine stones po, no? So, for connections and money, kasi sila yung parang money magnet. Okay? So, hindi naman tayo magsusuot ng ganito kung wala. Okay? So, there. So, next is yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, again, yung taga-grant po, ng inyong mga minamanifest. Yes, and tagapagbigay po ng weekly surprises, ang ating granter. Okay, yes, napakabait niya na granter. Anyway, ano pa ba? Ang dalas mawala nung granter nung iba, nagsasabi sa akin. So, ito, share ko lang. Ang dalas mawala, hindi ko alam kung misplace ba or what. So, iba nagtatanong, Madam, pwede ba kaming mag-avail ulit? So, yes, pwede. Sabihin nyo lang yung name, okay, para ialis natin doon sa nawala, and then ilalagay natin doon sa bago. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. So, kung may makapulot man nung granter na wala na siyang silbi. Okay, so, hindi na siya magagamit rin. Anyway, so again, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, made to order po, yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so yung kanyang chain is 20 inches long. So, gamitan po ng evil eye protection. Okay, evil eye protection, ayun yung magsisilbing parang security. Pagdating sa inyong mga minamanifest doon sa frequency pa lang. So, para silang ginaguard. Okay, ganun po ang job description ng mga evil eye protection. Kung may magagrant na, buo silang magagrant. Hindi sila sabog-sabog, hindi sila kalat-kalat, no? Like 100%. Okay, walang, ang tawag dyan, walang sira. No, so masisira kasi yan, masasabotahe kung kayo ay mababatuhan ng evil eye. Okay, kaya kailangan natin ng evil eye protection. Yon, okay? So again, lastly, yung ating pangtaboy MALAS. Yes, yung ating cord cut. Oo, so si cord cut, so pwede siya sa business, pwede siya sa pang sarili. Susuot mo, pwede naman. Meron kasi mga nagsusuot. Meron ding mga inilalagay lang din sa white pouch. Pwede po sa white pouch ilagay yung ating cord cut. No, so pwede siya sa bahay. Magsisilbi siyang parang harang sa negative energies na pwedeng pumasok. Okay? So, yun po. Magiging blockage to doon sa negative na hindi naman natin kailangan, no? So, and yes, mag-aalis siya ng negativities pagdating sa'yo. Sa bahay mo, sa business mo, mga ganyan. Para mas maging magaan. Okay? Yung frequency. Anyway, lastly, yung ating pang-cleanse. Yung ating, sa mga sa mga ayaw ng aking mahabang spiel, you can skip the video. So anyway, pagdating po sa ating cleansing kit, so meron tayong white sage, magkasama sila, white sage and selenite. Okay, so selenite, lifetime na pwede mong gamitin. Okay, kasi si selenite po is like a charger sa ating mga charms and crystals, no? So sinasamahan natin ang white sage para maalis din kung ano man yung negativities. Pwede kasi rin sa bahay yon, no? Parang ganyan. Pero yung white sage, syempre, sisindihan mo mauubos. Okay? Parang ganyan. So, yeah, if you're interested, message na lang po. Okay? So, Leo, what's for you? What is for our Leo placements? Okay. Energy surrounding our Leos. Okay. Sensya na medyo mahaba. Oo, yung ating intro. Pero you can skip the video dito agad sa reading. So, the reading starts at 7:28. Okay, Leo placements. What's for you? Okay. Ooh, the devil. What's with that? Are you dealing with a Capricorn or with the devil? Let's see. What's with that devil? 7 of Wands in reverse. Actually, this devil na nakikita ko, okay, ito specific Leo itong devil na nakikita ko is somebody na pwedeng talagang pinipilit niya na maging open sa'yo. Okay, pinipilit niya na maging open. Yeah, see the 2 of Wands in reverse. I'm sensing here a specific energy. Okay, specific. Some of you were too exposed. You're too exposed. Hanggang end ng July po. Leo, masyado kong exposed sa kung ano man na negative. Be careful. Protect your energies. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong prone magkasakit. Prone sa negative energies. Be careful. Okay, yeah, the Queen of Pentacles is here. This is talking about health. Okay? Or bisyo. Pwedeng mag-cause ng stress sa'yo, Leo. Okay? Queen of Cups. What's with that Queen of Cups? May mga taong iintindi. May mga taong available sa'yo. The Chariot in reverse. Na hindi ka iiwan. Okay? Mga ganyang bagay. So, somebody here is sabihin nating still hindi pa rin nakaka-move on from you. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They want to make an action. They want to send you a message. This is a person from the past. somebody from the past wanting na to clear the air with you, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so now they're like reflecting, parang may meron akong nakikitang energy coming from person sa past mo na parang may mga realizations siya. Some of you pwedeng makakuha ka ng message from a past person bago mag-end ang July. Okay, so what else for Leo? Okay, 7 of Cups in reverse. So may chance nga talaga na merong babalik ditong past person. Yes, magpaparamdam, ganyan. Antong 7 of Cups in reverse. Yeah, they're watching you. They are watching you. Could be a water sign or air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay. Why are they watching you? Why are they stalking you? Why? What's with this Page of Swords? Justice in reverse. Andun yung sabihin nating nakokonsensya itong taong to, kung ano man. Pwedeng gusto niyang magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos talaga, the Justice in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, they're regretting. A lot of, sabihin nating regrets ang nararamdaman ng taong to, lalo na kung pinagpalit ka nito sa iba. Okay? So, kuha pa tayo na ibang energies. So, what else? Okay, what else for Leo placements? Bago mag-end ang July. What else for Leos? I'm hearing digestive system. I don't know kung anong meron. What's with the digestive system? Leo. Okay. I don't know kung ano yun, ha. So, be careful if you're eating too much, no? Mga ganyang bagay. I don't know. Like, something regarding digestion this July. So, what else for Leo placements? The 6 of Swords in reversed. The Tower. Something ang pwedeng hindi mo maia-avoid. What's with this? Na pwedeng magkokos ng pag-overthink, magkokos ng stress. I don't know. Some of you, there's this somebody na pwedeng magkakatch ng attention mo. Okay, I don't know. Parang nandun yung word na obsession. Falling. Okay, parang ganyan. Pero you know this person, like sabihin natin, some of you, this person is pwedeng nag-cheat sa'yo before. Pero here they come again, na parang kukot-kot na naman sa iyong utak at puso. Parang ganyan, na parang magkokos ng confusion sa ngayon at magbibigay ng delays kung ano man, no? Kung ano man ang mga pinagagawa mo sa ngayon, magkokos siya ng delay. Mapapaisip ka, ano bang meron? Let's see. Ano bang meron? Bakit siya magbabalik? Could be an air sign and the Scorpio. Anong dahilan? Anong intention? See? The Devil. Hindi natin gusto to. Okay? So, kung kilala mo na talaga mismo yung tao na to at alam mong wala ng pagbabago na pwedeng mangyari sa kanya, then you have to avoid them na. This is an advice. Okay? Advice! Hindi na ina-advise na makipag-reconcile ka dito. Walang magagawa to. Okay? Itong devil na to. Okay? Kung hindi nyo i-welcome. Okay, kung i-welcome nyo to, yes, talagang makakagulo sa inyo to. I'm hearing somebody is depressed. Nag-cause ng depression tong taong to sa'yo. So, wag mo nang i-welcome pa. Okay? Kasi, some of you, sabihin nating mental, sa mentalidad mo, nakakulong na lang itong taong to. Sabihin nating, kung hindi man siya gumawa ng way na parang babalik or what, sabihin natin, parang ikaw na lang mismo yung nagkukulong sa sarili mo sa ganong sitwasyon now, kailangan mo nang ialis. Okay? So, what else? You have to avoid energies from the past na nagbibigay pa rin sa'yo ng stress, no? Sa sitwasyon mo sa ngayon, nagbibigay ng hindi magandang energy. Kailangan nyo ng cord cut. Oo, iba sa inyo, kailangan nyo ng cord cut. So, what else for Leo? What else? Four of Swords. Some of you needs to rest. Like, typical, literal, na magpahinga. Okay? The Four of Swords. Yeah, and the Knight of Pentacles. Yung ba sa inyo, nakakuha ko ng ibang strategy rin pagdating sa pamemera. Some of you pwedeng gagawa ng another source of income, another plan para magkaroon ng, sabihin nating magkaroon ng boost pagdating po sa pamemera in general, no? Bago mag-end ang July. Yeah, this is death, this is changes, transitions, mga ganyang bagay. So, yun po, no? The Magician in reverse. Okay, hindi lahat ng sabihin nating plano is sabihin nating pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin. One at a time, siguro, no? Parang ganyan. So, yeah, hindi naman tayo parang magmamadali. Be careful, ha? Some of you, I'm hearing scams. Scam. Pwedeng ma-scam bago mag-end ang July. Be careful. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. For you, Leo, placements. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Aries, they're mad, they're angry. Taurus, they want to hear from you something, they want to share something. Gemini, they're walking away, leaving their emotions behind. Cancer, they need you, they want to be near you. Leo, okay, hopeless. Some of them, they're angry because feeling nila hopeless na lang yung situation. Okay, or sabihin natin, some of them, they have this hatred pa rin pagdating sa kanila, sa self nila, sa puso nila. Anyway, so Virgo, not available. Okay, I don't know why. Some of them, they're not available emotionally. Or parang feeling nito ni Virgo na parang may nasasayang, may natatapon. Anyway, Libra, wanting to make an action. I don't know kung ano. Some of them, they want to level things up. Okay. Scorpio, I'm seeing here a secret affair with the Scorpio. Okay. They want good cooperation with you. Yeah, see, may nagpakitang Three of Swords. Anyway, so next is Sagittarius. What's with Sagittarius? Okay, so I'm hearing cycles, repeats. They want another chance with you. Capricorn, they're unhappy. Aquarius, they love you unconditionally. Pisces, some of them, they have options. Okay, meron pa rin ditong something, an issue dito kay Pisces na pwedeng hindi pa rin totally na-fix. I don't know if that's talking about a past situation or person or connection. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.